he don't agree. He just two sides agree and don't agree sometimes. But don't agree for give governor give remission day for prisoner. And then Mr. Fahmi, our leader for today, very totally is two side, one side agree and second side don't agree with that. But I myself the same with Mr. Fahmi because we have two sides. One side good, bad side, good side, bad side. Good side just governor give remission the professional because imagine that every country got prison jail. So how could the governor you know, fund something like rice, fish, food, everything, water, everything for prison for prisoner every year. That's why I have a two side. One side I agree for remission day for prisoner. Second side I don't agree. Alright, I think that's all. Thank you for coming. And then thank you for attention. Well, I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.